Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jennifer Aquino Gajes. I'm 27 years old. I'm married with 2 children, 4 years old and 10 years old. I'm from Sinama, Rojas, Isabela. I have 3 sisters and 4 brothers, and I am 7th child of the family. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, I know, sir, but I'm working in Philippines as nanny for 2 years to a couple with 2 children. I do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and my main duty is taking care of the children.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the children is sick, when the baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call to my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, I'm responsible, I'm honest.
Do you have any tattoo?
I have one mom, but one is mom.
Okay. So, do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No po.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
None, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to go abroad for provided and especially to my family.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my family, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. if my work is done, and I'm waking up at 5 a.m.
Are you the one who does the cooking and the market at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Stop, sir. I will be more patient and calmer.
Okay. So, do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. If I will extend if needed, sir.
Okay, can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Johnny, 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 yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lie, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Hope you select me as your helper, sir. I am honest, hardworking, and I'm responsible. I promise to serve your family with all my best.